Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. It is Sunday. Um, I hope everyone had a safe week and everyone is doing the best they can under the circumstances. Before I continue with this video, I just want you to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also just be reminded that I will be posting a video every Sunday. So without further ado, I do have in front of me masculine cards that I started last week. That was my intro video for last week. And I did show you guys just the blanks that I was working with at this point. I came up with a design. The only sad thing is I recorded this video just prior to this one where I was showing you the step-by-step adding all of those extra accessories and things on there. Unfortunately, the video got spoiled, so I was not, I had to get rid of it, and then I will have to basically walk you through what I did. So to get started, again, that was just this here, like this. What I did was I used a birthday sentiment stamp and a wrapped gift stamp that I have, acrylic stamp. I went ahead and got it stamped on white paper, white cardstock, 65 pound, and I just went ahead and kind of cut around it a little bit. Then I used green and black, just the black to just kind of give the sentiment a little lift. And of course, I have a die cut that does cuts out cars. Of course, I went ahead and got those cut out, and then I pasted it on a blue 65-pound piece of cardstock, and then I just cut around it again with my precision scissors. And of course, the backing for it, I used my embossing folder to get the pattern with my Cuttlebug on this piece right here. So if you can see, let me see if I can, if you can see, it has like patterns here. And this is what I used to get that pattern. I went ahead and stuck the pieces together, and pretty much that's the outcome. Now, for the strips, I used leftover or scraps basically that I had to do those pieces, and of course the cutting out the motor bike and the vehicles. I also used on these two, I used this strip here. This is washi tape. I did 2 layers of washi tape because it was kind of light and I wanted to, make it stand out a little more. So I stuck on 2 layers. And then with this one, I also used 2 layers on here, like sort of kind of to look like tire tracks, if you want to say that. So this is what I use for that. Now, I use my Memento ink. This is Tuxedo Black, which I used for my sentiment. And basically, I put everything together. So this is really, this is the outcome of the cards. And making masculine cards can be a little challenging, but I wanted to just let you see how it ended up coming together. Again, the video that got messed up prior to this, it was actually showing, I was actually sticking things together piece by piece. Nothing was together, everything was apart. But the video, I don't know, I had some kind of a power outage or something, and it got messed up in a few places. So I just decided to just scrap it and just, let you guys see what the end results was. So when I am doing the video next Sunday, I will be working on more masculine cards using the rest that I have here to see what other designs I can come up with. So I have to work with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 others. So with the strip across, so I'm going to see what I can come up with for those. So thank you so much for watching. And again, I do apologize if the step-by-step got messed up. But I hope to see you guys next Sunday. Please stay safe and do what you can to keep your family safe as well. And do have a blessed week. And I shall see you next Sunday. Thank you. Bye-bye.